Welcome back, guys, to another great video here at Volkswagen of Puyallup. If you like the video, don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. Today, we are going to be talking about the very rare, sporty Volkswagen Arteon. So the best thing about the Volkswagen Arteon, in my opinion, is the fastest car that we offer is the Golf R. Now, this Arteon has the Golf R engine in it, so it's pushing over 300 horsepower, as well as it has 4Motion drive capability, and it's the only sedan on Volkswagen's arsenal that offers that 4Motion. So like I said before, guys, I popped open the hood, the engine's showing. We've got that Golf R engine in here pushing over 300 horsepower. Cool thing about this one is that it's our trusted 2.0 turbo 4-cylinder motor. And when I say this thing's got some pull, it's got some pull to it. So guys, this car has a really slick look to it. Not only is it the SEL R line, it comes with an illuminated grille, and the lights just look sick. The fog lights, when you turn them on, gives you a wider variety of range so that when you're driving and you have that low visibility, that thing is gonna crank out to the sides. So because this vehicle has that 4Motion, you want those big tires to be able to grip the road. And this thing comes with 20-inch alloy wheels, and this one's got a sick little gunmetal look to it, as well as this being one of the limited colors, which is called Moonstone Gray. One of the cool things you might not know about Volkswagen is that we own multiple brands. Now that could include Bentley, Ducati was the most surprising one to me, Audi, Porsche, Lamborghini, as well as some other brands. So you can see with the Arteon that they took a little influence from our other brands to give you this sport fastback look. So as you can see on the side, that we have a much sharper look on the Arteon, and that's actually to make it a lot more aerodynamic so that when you're speeding, that thing goes right through the wind. So since this is equipped with that 4Motion package, we have added the all-season tires, which is gonna get through every single weather that you need it to. Another cool thing about this vehicle is that it's the premium, and we try to add every little premium thing that we can to give you the best experience possible. When you open up the door, you get little Volkswagen puddle lights. So as well as our other Volkswagen models, the type of welding that we do that heats it up, freezes it, heats it up, freezes it, makes it a lot stronger, and it's one giant piece, which adds to the safety of the vehicle. But it also, in the Arteon, gives it kind of a sick little look where it doesn't take the body with it. So this thing is fully loaded, the 2023 Arteon SEL R line. This thing's got so many bells and whistles, and we're gonna jump on inside and we're gonna take you through them right now. So your first impression of when you take your first seat into an Arteon is that it gives you a complete premium look. Not only do the doors in the front illuminate, the doors in the back illuminate as well. You have a fully digital dash, and the illumination goes all the way across the dash as well, which gives it that fully premium feel. One of my favorite parts of this vehicle is not only does it have the heated steering wheel, which is very nice for your hands, it has heated seats, as well as the full digital dash in the front is fully customizable for the user experience. So if I wanted to have my speed and my RPMs up there, I can do that, and I can have my navigation right there in the middle while that's still up. But every time that I touch the view button on this steering wheel, I can fully customize what I'd like to see up on the dash. So while you still get that sporty, cool, sleek look, you pop open the VW symbol, pops open the trunk, and surprisingly, you have a lot of trunk space in this vehicle. So imagine you've taken this vehicle up to the mountains. You've put your snowboard up on the top or your skis up on the top, and you're putting your wet boots, your jacket, and everything into your trunk. Once you want to close it, it's just a touch of a button, and there it is. All right, guys, so that about wraps it up for us here at Volkswagen of Puyallup. This has been the 2023 Arteon. If you see one on our lot, it's probably one of one or one of two. Now, this is the fastest sedan that we offer, and it's the only one that we offer with 4Motion. So if you see it, please inquire with us today here at Volkswagen of Puyallup. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. This has been Max Norcross, your sales and leasing consultant here, signing off.